Well, hello there, and welcome to a new review from the Norwegian. Today we are looking into another must-have set from RT Diorama. This set has been on the market for a while, but if you are into dioramas, facade building, this set is a must. The most dramatic gutters in 1/35 scale, RT Diorama 35665. Out of the bag, you get beautifully cast resin parts, 4 main gutters, 4 downspouts, corner joints, and brackets that are so tiny you'll start praying that your tweezers are up for this task. The detail is crisp. You can almost smell the mildew of forgotten alleyways in war-torn Europe. That's a compliment, by the way. The brackets are impressively detailed for their size. I've lost bigger parts sneezing. These are small. Handle with care. Or tape. Or force of will. Everything is scaled perfectly for 1/35, and it really adds a story element to urban dioramas. Think neglected buildings, shell-shocked ruins, or that one house on your street where nothing's been cleaned since 1942. Now, I haven't built this yet, because I'm still deciding where to add a dramatic gutter moment in my next diorama. But let me tell you, these parts look sharp, straight, and beautifully cast. Being resin, you'll want to prime, dry fit, and maybe light a candle before handling. Because once you superglue these, they stay forever. Or until you panic and rip the roof off. This isn't just a detail, it's a conversation piece. It's the moment someone leans in and says, "Wait, you added gutters? That's insane." And you smile. Because yes, you did. Recommended for anyone who builds city scenes, bombed-out buildings, or just enjoys adding believable detail when no one else bothers. Use super glue gel, a fresh blade, and patience. Lots of patience. So what's the verdict? RT Diorama's rain gutter set is weirdly satisfying. It's simple. It's clean. It's more emotional than I expected from a bunch of tubes. I give it 5 out of 5 accidental glue smudges. Highly recommended. If you enjoyed this highly specific review of miniature plumbing, give a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the weirdest model detail you've ever built? This is Roy the Norwegian Pedersen, signing off before I get emotionally attached to a downspout. Like, subscribe, and tell me your strangest model detail. Next week, I review some other exciting model-related stuff. If anyone out there has some wishes you want to fulfill regarding reviews, give me a comment, and maybe I could do something about it. I cannot promise anything, but if you don't ask, you will never know.